गुड मॉर्निंग। परम आईएएस जो कंप्लीट कवरेज ऑफ करंट अफेयर्स है 1.5 ईयर का बिहार स्पेशल, आज उसका सेकंड लेक्चर है। जो फर्स्ट लेक्चर में जितना हम लोग किए थे उसके आगे सेकंड लेक्चर स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं। नाउ द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, बिहार टू हैव कास्ट सेंसस। In an all-party meeting chaired by Chief Minister on June 1, 2022, on the issue of the caste census, it was unanimously decided that the caste and sub-caste of all religions will be counted in Bihar. Now, in this meeting also, CM Nitish Kumar proposed that conducting a caste-based enumeration is to take people forward so that no one in the state is neglected. Now, Bihar government allow exploration of the country's largest gold reserve in जमुई डिस्ट्रिक्ट। ये आप लोग भी जानते होंगे, बहुत पहले न्यूज में भी था कि जमुई में पूरे इंडिया ही नहीं मगर बोले पूरे वर्ल्ड का सबसे बड़ा गोल्ड रिजर्व है। इसको परमिट मिला, बिहार गवर्नमेंट ने अलाउ किया कि एक्सकावेशन किया जाए। तो बिहार एडिशनल चीफ सेक्रेटरी कम माइंस कमिश्नर हरजोत कौर बबरा said that the Bihar government had decided to give permission for exploration of the country's largest gold reserve in Jammu district. According to the Geological Survey of India, a reserve of about 222.88 million tons of gold, including 37.6 tons of mineralized ore, is present. According to the National Minerals Inventory, the total resource of primary gold ore in the country as on 1/4/2015 are estimated to be 500.83 million tons, with 654.7 tons of gold metal and 222.885 million ton is present in Bihar among them. Now the next point, floating solar power plants. As Bihar has planned to set up the floating solar plant in two places in Bihar, that is Fulvaria and Durgavati. Now Fulvaria is looked for 20 megawatt capacity at Fulvaria and 30 megawatt in Durgavati near Pulwari Dam, that is in Nawada. Now 20 megawatt floating solar power plant is planned to be installed in Dinam. Now 30 megawatt floating solar power plant will be installed in Durgavati Dam in Kaimur district, that is in Durgavati Dam is located in Kaimur district. Now e-Sanjeevani portal. As Bihar Health Minister Mangal Pandey informed that 14th month about 30 lakh people of the state have availed the benefit of the health facility through the e-Sanjeevani portal. E-Sanjeevani portal contains two items. First, e-Sanjeevani and second, e-Sanjeevani OPD. Bird census statistics released in Bihar. Recently, the data of the unplanned bird census has been released by the government of Bihar for the first time in the state. Census launched in February 2022 has been conducted by the Department of Environment, Forest and Climate Change of Bihar in collaboration with Wetland International Institute. According to this calculation, 202 species of birds have been found in a total of 68 reservoirs of the state. The total number of these birds is 45,173. Out of these, 80 species are aquatic birds. Now the next topic, Mithila's Rohu. A team of fish experts has been constituted by the Bihar government as a part of effort to get a GI tag to Rohu of Mithila. As this Rohu is found in Darbhanga and Madhubani district of Mithilachal in Bihar. The taste of this fish is quite different from the other fish, and the annual growth rate of the also to increase the growth rate of fish production in Bihar is as before 7% increment. It's need to be increased as the the minister of this fisheries is Deputy Chief Minister come Animal and Fishery Resource Minister Tarkeshwar Prasad. Nipun Bihar Scheme. A Nipun Bihar Scheme Yojana is a government school of Bihar implemented in a government school of Bihar in the first week of the June. Under this program Yojana, the children will be made proficient in reading and writing, recognizing alphabet, interpreting its meaning, addition and subtraction, and solving the numerical activities related to age. Now, next topic, election of Bihar Legislative Council on April 4, 2022. Voting was held for the 24 seats of the Bihar Legislative Council. As due to COVID, Legislative Council elections were postponed last year in rural local bodies. As you know that there are 75 seats in the Bihar Legislative Council, out of which 63 are elected members and 12 are nominated members. And also you know that the term of the member of Legislative Council MLC is 6 years, with 1/3 of the member returning every 2 years. Now the next topic, amendment in Bihar legal provisions. As you know, Bihar Provisions and Exercise Amendment Bill was passed by both the House of the Legislature. Under this, a provision has been made to leave by paying a fine if caught while drinking, changing the original law of 2016. However, the accused will not have the right to waive the payment of the fine. As also, if any person is found to be under the influence of alcohol intoxicant, he shall be immediately arrested and produced before the magistrate. As per the provision of the bill, if the bulk recovery of the liquor take place from a temporary premises which cannot be sold, such premises can be demolished by the order of the collector. Now, the next topic, Bihar Divas. As you know, Bihar Divas हम लोग 22 मार्च को ही मनाते हैं, जो कि इस दिन को बिहार के चीफ मिनिस्टर नीतीश कुमार inaugurated the function organized to commemorate the 110th foundation day of the state at Gandhi Maidan in Patna. On this occasion, a laser show was organized with the help of 500 drones, in which a map of Bihar was first displayed. Then the cultural pride of Bihar was displayed. Along with this, the message of environmental protection and drugs de-education was also given. Now, the next topic, that is 100 APSC of the state will become the model hospital. As APSC full form is Additional Primary Health Center. As by making 100 APSC as a model hospital in the financial year 2022-23, people will get the facility of diagnosis of serious diseases and initial treatment of all disease. In these 100 APSC, arrangement will be made for strengthening the infrastructure, construction of room as per the requirement, testing equipments, etc. under the National Health Mission. Next topic, that is Rajgir Zoo Safari. On February 16, 2022, Bihar Chief Minister नीतीश कुमार inaugurated a zoo safari in Rajgir. याद रखने वाली बात है कि जू सफारी कहाँ इनोग्रेट किया गया था और कब किया गया था और किसने किया था. It's worth mentioning that the zoo safari spread over area of 480 acres has been constructed with an investment of 176 crore. Its foundation was laid in the year 2016. An interpretation center and 180-degree 3D theater have also been constructed in Safari. A statue related to the evolutionary sequence of humans and the life cycle of wildlife has been installed also. The film, The Ocean Bioscope, was screened in front of the Chief Minister in this theater. It has been decided to keep a tiger, lions, leopard, bears and deers in this safari for which 5 different large enclosures have been made. It is noteworthy that to promote tourism in Rajgir Glass Sky Walk has also been constructed. Chief Minister Rural Solar Light Scheme. Chief Minister Solar Light Scheme on February 10, 2022, in a meeting organized by the Chief Minister Nitish Kumar through the video conferencing, the progress of Mukhyamantri Rural Solar Street Light Scheme under Mukhyamantri 7 Nischay Yojana 2 was reviewed. Now, solar light will be installed. Responsibility of conducting a survey in this regard was given to the head of each village. In this survey, it was asked to select the village and the place where solar light will be installed. The following schemes are included under the Mukhyamantri 7 Nischay Yojana. First, Bihar Student Credit Card Scheme, हर घर बिजली योजना, घर तक पक्की गली नालियाँ, अवसर बढ़े आगे बढ़े, हर घर नल का जल स्कीम, आरक्षित रोजगार महिलाओं का अधिकार स्कीम. नाउ एंड लास्ट वन, शौचालय निर्माण, घर का सम्मान. बिहार इन नीति आयोग हेल्थ इंडेक्स 2021. On December 27, 2021, government think tank Niti Aayog released the 4th edition of its health index for 2019-20, ranking a state in the basis of overall health performance. In this, Bihar stood rank 18th in terms of overall health performance among the large state, while Kerala is at the top. The report was divided in 3 parts: large state, small state and union territory. Among the small states, Mizoram was the best performing state, while Nagaland remained at the bottom. Niti Aayog Health Index is a weighted composite score consisting of 24 indicators covering key aspects of health performance. In terms of overall health performance among the states, large state, Bihar ranked 18 out of the 19 states with a score 31. On the other hand, Kerala is ranked with 82. Tamil Nadu is in second position 72.42 and Telangana was in the third position 69.96. According to Niti Aayog report, Chandigarh top in Union Territory, followed by Dadra and Nagar Haveli at number of 2 and Delhi at the number 3. Now, Bihar Good Governance Index 2021. On the occasion of Good Governance Day, that is 25 of December, Union Home Minister and Corporation Minister Amit Shah, in which Bihar has got 6th rank in Group B. Now, in Good Government Index, ranking has been given by dividing the state and union territory into 4 categories: Group A, Group B, Northern State, Northeastern and Hill States, Union Territory. 58 indicators from 10 sectors have been considered for preparing a Good Governance Index 2021. Now, Bihar has scored 6th rank in Group B with a score of 4.624 in overall ranking of Good Governance Index. Madhya Pradesh has secured 1st rank in the group. Gujarat has secured 1st rank in Group A. मतलब मध्य प्रदेश जो है ग्रुप बी में 1st रैंक है और गुजरात ग्रुप ए में फर्स्ट में है. बिहार has increased its score by 5% as compared to the previous index. Last time it was a score 4.40, which are now increased to 4.64. Bihar has basically improved in public infrastructure and utilities, social welfare and development sector and judicial and public sector. The Good Governance Index is based on 10 sectors in which Bihar making ranking and scores are as follow. आप देख सकते हैं एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर में बिहार का रैंकिंग 6th है जिसका स्कोर 0.442 है। कमर्शियल इंडस्ट्री सेक्टर में 7th है जिसका स्कोर 0.626 है। ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट सेक्टर ये थोड़ा अच्छा है, थोड़ा बोल सकते हैं 3rd पोजीशन पे है जो कि 0.507 स्कोर है। पब्लिक हेल्थ सेक्टर भी 3rd पोजीशन पे है 0.287 है। पब्लिक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड यूटिलिटी सेक्टर ये सबसे बेस्ट है जिसमें 1st पोजीशन पे है 0.754 पे। जो ऐसे ही इकोनॉमिक गवर्नेंस सेक्टर 5th पोजीशन पे है। सोशल वेलफेयर एंड डेवलपमेंट ये सबसे वर्स्ट है 8th पोजीशन पे है। जुडिशियल एंड पब्लिक सिक्योरिटी 7th पोजीशन पे भी वर्स्ट कंडीशन। एनवायरमेंटल सेक्टर 7th पोजीशन पे भी वर्स्ट है। एंड लास्ट वन दैट इज 10th पॉइंट इज सिटीजन सेंट्रिक गवर्नमेंट जो कि 4th पोजीशन पे है। नाउ चैंपियन ऑफ चेंज रिपोर्ट्स ऑन December 11 नीति आयोग released the Delta ranking of champions of change. In this, 4 districts of Bihar has been ranked among the 5 best improving districts of the country in the field of education. Niti Aayog has declared this district as champion of change ranking Muzaffarpur, Aurangabad, Banka and Shekhpura. 4 districts of Bihar, that is Muzaffarpur, Aurangabad, Banka and Shekhpura district of the Bihar at the 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th position respectively in the country after Dumka in Jharkhand. इसका मतलब ये है कि चैंपियन ऑफ चेंज रिपोर्ट इन एजुकेशनल फील्ड में दुमका जो झारखंड का है 1st पे है, 2nd पे मुजफ्फरपुर, 3rd पे औरंगाबाद, 4th पे बंका एंड 5th पे शेखपुरा। नीति आयोग हैज डिक्लेयर 5 डिस्ट्रिक्ट दुमका, मुजफ्फरपुर aspirational district for October 2021 respectively. Now on the next day we start Patna Metro next topic. Thank you.